Hi, my name is Jennifer Bowen. I'm from the University of Rochester, and I'm one of the co-principal investigators for a project called the eXtensible Catalog, or XC. So I'm going to like to give you a little either an introduction or an update to the XC project, whether or not you've heard of it before. The eXtensible Catalog is a collaborative project. We're developing a set of open source tools that will enable libraries to reveal their collections in a variety of web environments. So we're talking about revealing library content through content management systems and learning management systems. We have funding. We're very happy to have a generous grant from the Mellon Foundation. We also have funding from the University of Rochester. And we also have developed a community of partner institutions who have all contributed, are all contributing to the development of the system in one way or another. Our partners right now are Notre Dame, the Carly Consortium of Libraries in Illinois, the Georgia Pines group that's developing Evergreen, the Rochester Institute of Technology, University of Buffalo, Oregon State University, and we also have 3 user research partners, Cornell, Yale, and Ohio State. We have one of my colleagues is a co-PI on the project is an anthropologist who's actually on the staff of the library, and she's been going out to our partner institutions to conduct user research. So we have developed quite an exciting partnership, and we're all just started working to develop the software. Once we have XC developed, it will work alongside an ILS. It will have its own interface, so it will be a discovery environment. We're developing that in Drupal. But as we've gotten into it, we've also gotten actually more interested, I think, in looking to develop applications that will allow users to find library resources where they already are on the web rather than making them come to a separate interface. So our work to integrate XC into Blackboard, for example, is something that we're really interested in. So we're working on that as well. So the focus of the project has really moved in that direction a little bit as well. One of the other focuses, I think, of XC that sets it apart from some of the other projects that are going on to create new discovery interfaces is that we're really focusing on the metadata infrastructure behind all of this. We had developed a prototype that pulled all the data out of our ILS, and we indexed it, and we put it up with faceting, and it worked pretty well, you know. And when we went to the Mellon Foundation to look for funding for that, they said, yes, but is it extensible? Is it really extensible? Is this something that's really going to scale up for libraries, especially when you start talking about dealing with a couple of different metadata schemas? Once we start going from using just MARC data to looking at Dublin Core data and other schemas as well, how are we going to deal with that? So we're working on developing a metadata infrastructure, working with two of our colleagues affiliated with Cornell, John Phipps and Diane Hillman, who've done a lot of work on the NSDL infrastructure, and you'll be hearing from John tomorrow. So we're really trying to look at developing that and putting that into the eXtensible catalog, so that there's a lot of behind-the-scenes work that we're doing there. So where we are right now is that we have just hired 4 developers, and boy, was that a chore to find 4 developers. We also need 1 more, so if you know of anyone who is looking for a PHP Drupal job, please have them come talk to me. So they're just starting to work. One of the other things we're doing this year is we will be creating a not-for-profit foundation that will provide sustainability for the project and to support the community of users that we hope will come develop around the software. And we anticipate releasing the software as open source in July '09. So I'll be giving you other updates between now and then. Thank you.